The following footage was recorded in June of 2019 while traveling across the northern United States, northeast of Lovell, Wyoming in the Bighorn National Recreation Area. Just across the state line into Montana along the Bighorn River, there is a small campground with spectacular views. During an electrical storm over the Crow Reservation to the east, I made several slow-motion videos at 240 frames per second in order to capture images of the lightning bolts. Upon reviewing one of these slow-motion videos, I discovered that I had captured footage of two fast-moving and very unusual orbs of light traveling in a north-northwestern direction. The first orb comes out of the center of the screen and travels straight across to the left. The second orb comes from the center also, but changes direction quickly and travels upwards towards the left corner of the screen. Near the end of the footage, a bird enters from the right side and disappears into the cloud near the center. The bird is easily identified and looks nothing like the orbs. The next clip is an edited version which reverts the footage to normal speed of 30 frames per second. The next two clips are shortened to show again the slow-motion footage of the orbs. I make no assumptions about the origin of the orbs as being earthly or extraterrestrial. That is for you to decide.